Okay, so I just got this smart projector. This smart projector. Join me and let's unbox it together. Okay, this is how the packaging looks like. So let me just open the box, and then this is the projector. Let me take it out of the box. Let's see. Okay, this is a smart mini projector. Okay, so there is this foam here. Let me take it out. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So let's open the other box and see what's inside the box. So it comes with a remote, a battery, a manual, and the power cable as well. Okay, so the batteries are two, one over here. So let me insert it inside the remote. A mini remote as well. Okay, so let me plug it somewhere here, and then check. Okay, so I'll put the power cable here. Okay, once the cable is inserted into the smart projector, you see that there is a red light over here indicating that there is a power cable in it. And from the back, you can see that it accepts microphone, a USB either pen drive or USB cable, and also an HDMI cable. And there is a power button over here in case you want to turn it on using this power button. So just press it once and boom. Okay, so once you press it, you can see that the red light has turned blue. Okay. Okay, so it is on and it's giving Android TV vibes. This background looks busy, so let me turn it here. Let me. Okay, so I think this background is a bit good now, and you can see that it's looking a bit blurred. So you can see that there is this one here, exactly as the normal projector. Can just adjust this to get a better sharpness of it. So as you are adjusting, it will be adjusting as well. So I think this one is better. So from the look of things, you can see that it can be connected to Wi-Fi and can be connected to Bluetooth, and then this USB. You can just connect your Wi-Fi and then start viewing YouTube. Let's go to settings and then check. I'm just using the remote, so just point the remote to the projector. Let's go to settings and check this out. Okay, about device. Okay, so it is having 2 gig of RAM and 16 gigabytes of ROM. So in case you want to download any app or anything on it, you can just download. And it's having 2 gigabytes of RAM. Wow. Let's go back. And if you want to connect it to your phone, you just use the screencast and then connect it to your phone. And you want to change the projector settings, you just come to projector settings and then you manage to do the settings in a way that suits you. So let me go back and let's try the HDMI. So it came with an HDMI, so let me just connect it to my laptop and then let's see how it will look like. Insert the HDMI into the projector. Okay, so I've inserted it. So now let me put the HDMI at the back of my laptop. Here. Okay, so I've successfully connected the HDMI to the projector and my laptop as well. So let me start. Let me select HDMI with the remote. Oof, and it is connecting to the signal. Wow, wow. Let me play music and let's see how. Oh, nice. It has a speaker in it too, so you can hear the sound playing. It's having a speaker in it too. Wow. Let me adjust the sharpness again. So it has been connected to my laptop, and you can hear the sound directly coming out of the projector. The sound is coming out of the projector. So in case you need one, just contact the number below the screen. In case you need one, the number below the screen, just contact it. Just contact him and then tell him I gave you his number and he'll give you a discount. Wow, it works perfectly well. For this, you can even connect it to your TV decoder and use it as your decoder. Let me pause it. Okay, so for this, you can just connect it to your TV decoder. You can connect it to your DSTV or Strong or any decoder, and then you can use this projector as your TV in your room. Yes, you just adjust it to how you want it, and then you are good to go. You're good to go. You can connect your phone and then screencast it. You can connect your PC. You can connect all your devices to it, and it works perfectly well. You just find a neat background and then place it, and then you are good to go. As I said, the number is below the screen, so in case you need one, just contact him and tell him Great Filippo led you there, and you are going to get a good discount. The sound is good, the sound coming out of the projector is good, and then also you can insert a pen drive over here, USB pen drive, and you can view whatever is on the pen drive on this projector screen. This is Great Filippo, and I was just happy unboxing this projector. I was just happy unboxing it. It works perfectly well. So in case you need one, just contact the number below the screen and you are going to get sorted. It works perfectly well. Very well. Very well. This one, any teacher, just if you are a home mom, you don't have to get a TV. You can just get this one and then you can start using it as your PC. And also, you can just use it to teach, or you can just use it if you're a pastor, evangelist. You can just use it as your outreach. You can be showing them images as you are preaching or teaching. If you're a health worker, as you are going out to teach, to talk about health, you can be using this you can be using this projector as you are presenting. This is Great Filippo. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel until we meet again.